Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make a stunningly simple, elegant winter swag in the Bowdabra. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I've folded it in half, and I'm going to lay it down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take this beautiful rose, and I'm just going to lay this down into my Bowdabra, and then I have my leaves. I'm going to lay those down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my next rose and I'm just going to position it just a little bit higher than the other because these will hang down in my swag. Then I'm going to take my ribbon, and what I want to show you with this ribbon is how if you run out of ribbon or you cut it shorter or you just have one length that you didn't use, you can still use it in the Bowdabra and then continue. So all I'm going to do here is fold and twist it, and then I'm going to fold it back over and twist. And I'm just kind of judging my loops. Now this is a wired ribbon, and then here I'm just going to put this in, and I have already dovetailed my tails. So now I have my tails just coming out here. Now I have another piece because I don't think this is a big enough bow for this swag. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to twist it and scrunch it down into my Bowdabra. And then I'm just going to fold it back over, twist it and scrunch it into the Bowdabra, and then fold it and twist it and scrunch it in. And we're just going to keep doing that. I'm just going to fold it and twist, and then I'm going to fold it back over. So this is the really cool thing with Bowdabra, is that you can just keep going and fold it and twist, and I'm going to make one more loop, and that gives me another tail hanging down. Then I'm going to take my blue ribbon here, and I've already dovetailed the ends. So you can see we've already dovetailed them. I'm just going to fold it in half and lay that down. And I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand, and I'm just going to scrunch everything down into the Bowdabra. The very poppy ribbon. So now I'm going to take my blue swirl ribbon, and I'm just going to twist it and scrunch it in. Then I'm going to fold it back over. So we're just going to make, and I love this ribbon because it matches the colors of the roses. So now we're just going to fold this over and twist it and fold it and twist, and that's all I'm doing. So we'll just finish doing this. Then I'm going to take my blue ribbon and twist it, and again I'm just going to make the loops a little bit smaller. So we're just going to fold and twist, and then just bring it back over and twist, fold it back and twist, and fold it over and twist, and then just bring this back for one final loop, and I'm not going to twist that. And then I'll take my wand and I'm just going to scrunch everything in. And the reason that now it's a big bow, so I'm just leaving the wand there while I grab my wire. And then I'm just going to take my finger here to hold it down. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up here, bring this through my slip knot, which is why I folded it in half. Pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate the ends, bring them around to the back, and tie a knot and double knot it. Now I do have enough wire here so you could hang it onto a wreath, but now we're just going to fluff it out. Let's bring the tails here, bring these tails down, kind of bring them around like that, fluff out my bow. Just kind of putting my hands in the loops and sort of just stretching them out. And because it's a wired ribbon, I can shape my loops. And I'm going to do the same thing with these, just kind of pull them in opposite directions. And bring this over here. Do the same thing on the other side. And keep fluffing this. And kind of bring this around like that. Have these hanging down. And you have this absolutely gorgeous swag. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Pinterest. And we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.